right, guys, we're out here today. What are we doing?
Man, you already know what time it is. It's the Gushi burnout competition right here at Naked Indoor Pit. I'm hanging out with the guys. They got fire shirts.
We got some giveaway stuff for them. So make sure you guys grab a shirt. Are we tossing them out in the crowd?
Yeah, I'm just tossing them out.
Oh, yeah.
So make sure you're out there, man.
We're doing trunk or treat right now. We got a bunch of cars back here. Almost hit a garage here. And they're going to be doing the burnout competition right here in the neighborhood. So stay tuned. It's hailing right now. No, that's wild. Well, bro, this is such a weird weather. So they got a pumpkin painting.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to paint a Moshe Garage pumpkin.
Are you? You gonna try to paint the logo?
I'm gonna try it.
Come on, yeah, I gotta see this.
Definitely gonna try it.
How much faith do you have in
I'm
this?
gonna need Steve's, yep, I'm gonna need Steve's back to do it.
How much faith do you have in him painting a Moshe Garage logo on a pumpkin?
I mean, he is a talented artist, but I don't know.
I think he's gonna be able to clean off the pumpkin really well before he paints on it. But I don't think after that it's gonna be good.
Yeah, we're good.
All right, I'm gonna paint one too. We're all gonna paint. All right, I think we have a three-way competition. See who can paint one the best.
Me.
Let's go.
We're going to be doing the costume contest.
It would be sweet to paint a Moshe Garage one and put it out somewhere.
So this is my worst fear come to life right here. Yeah.
He wants rat.
Oh, I can't. Oh,
Hate him.
that was worse than Terrifier 3.
Yeah. Terrifier is here today.
Yeah, but that's worse. It's pretty dry.
Maybe you should make that video about watching you paint drawings.
Pretty awful.
Looks like shit.
It's so bad.
Mine's better than his.
Mine don't look bad. I just couldn't put the rim in it. Hey, are you telling us something today?
I don't know.
I say this.
Yeah, subscribe to this if you can read it.
Yeah.
You're the best. Here, you got $20.
Look how many people are here now. We're definitely out of candy.
What you're judged on is 2 minutes. I can hear everyone laughing at my dumb costume. I have 2 minutes in the pit. You have 2 minutes. That's your judged. We like to see you use as much of the pit as possible. You get more points for the zones. You get more points if you get the crowd riled up.
right, guys, that's gonna do it right here from Big Indian, the Gushi burnout competition. What a night, even though it's still daytime, and it's not. Doesn't look like it's the end of the night, but it is.